What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of concept collab with Nike Air Max 1 Mellow. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, the direction of the concept letter here is on the authentic is horizontal, whereas on the fake one it's a little bit sloopy, it's not horizontal. And also the Nike shoes placement is slightly go down and slightly go down and a little bit sloopy, like the authentic one is looking straight horizontal. Another sample you can see here on the marking area, the heel mid is the shape of the heel mid here is just straight like this, compared to the authentic is slightly a little bit rounded at the end here. Another sample again, still same, Nike shoes slightly go down, it's too close, there is the gap is too narrow. And this one also, you can see the concept letter is slightly a little bit sloopy, and the shape of the heel mid here is just straight like this. You can see on the stitching here on my pointer is a little bit crooked, it's too narrow compared to the authentic. There is a proper gap here on the authentic. And another sample again, you can see it's too sloopy here, the Nike shoes is too low here, a little bit off, like on the authentic one is centered. It's looking good. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here on the marking area, the lace hole and the stitching is too close compared to the authentic. And the Nike shoes here, you can see it's slightly come up on the fake one compared to the authentic. And you can see on the marking area, the shape of the heel mid is just straight like this. On the authentic one is a little bit rounded, and also this one, the heel low, slightly rounded. This one on the fake one is just straight like this. On the authentic, the Nike shoes is fully embroidered, whereas on the fake one it's not like embroidered, it's just like a printed pattern. And you can see here the line here is too short on the fake one. On the authentic one is, you can see here the line is right on the bottom of the stitching. Looking from above here, you can see on the toe box, the stitching here is, the middle stitching is slightly come up, it's not centered like the authentic one. Look at moving on the insole, you can see the insole here, the insole is reversed, it should be the left insole on the fake one according to the authentic. And this one also, you can see it's totally wrong, the holes is a little bit smaller than the authentic one. Moving to the heel part of the shoes, you can see here on the marking area there is a little bit white on the authentic one, a little bit white pattern, whereas on the fake one there is no white pattern. And this one also, there is no white pattern. Look at the detail here, the air embroidery is slightly go down, it's too close with the mud guard compared to the authentic one. And this one, the concept letter is slightly go down, it's a little bit too low according to the authentic here. And this one also still same, slightly go down. Look at here on the marking area, the stitching is looking messed up, it's not consistent. You can see it's a little bit longer here on the bottom. You can see here also it's a little bit longer, this one is too short, it's not consistent stitching. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, I hope you understand. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below, and feel free to DM me on Instagram if you want to ask anything. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.